In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate slides in your presentation. Whether you're working on a PowerPoint deck, a Google Slides project, or a similar presentation platform, knowing how to quickly and efficiently duplicate slides can save you a ton of time and make your workflow more seamless. So grab your cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First, let's focus on duplicating a single slide. Take a look at the left thumbnail pane where you'll see all your current slides lined up neatly. Find the specific slide you want to duplicate and click on it to highlight it. This is your way of telling the software, hey, this is the one I want to duplicate. Once you've got that done, head over to the menu at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on Slide, and then from the drop-down that appears, choose Duplicate Slide. And just like that, you've duplicated your chosen slide. But wait, there's even more ways to achieve the same result. Perhaps you prefer a more direct approach, and who could blame you? Simply right-click on the slide thumbnail in the pane, and from the nifty contextual menu that pops up, select Duplicate Slide. It's a quick, handy way to accomplish the task without needing to navigate to the upper menu. Maybe you're more of a keyboard shortcut enthusiast, and that's perfectly okay. For those of you on Windows, you can simply press Ctrl and D simultaneously, and voila, your slide is duplicated. If you're working on a Mac, the process is almost identical. Use CMD and D instead. These shortcuts are perfect for increasing efficiency, especially if you find yourself needing to duplicate slides often. Alright, now let's talk about duplicating multiple slides. This is particularly useful when you want to replicate several slides at once without tediously repeating the process for each one individually. Open your thumbnail pane once again, and here's where a bit of selection magic comes into play. If you want to select a sequence of adjacent slides, hold down the Shift key, click on the first slide in the range, and then click the last slide in the series. This action will select all slides in between. However, if your slides are scattered about and not in a neat sequence, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the CMD key on Mac, and simply click each slide you want to include in your selection. Once you've made your selection of multiple slides, you can duplicate them the same way you do with a single slide. Use the Slide menu and choose Duplicate Slide. Alternatively, the handy right-click method works just as well here. Or if speed is your game, tap Ctrl and D on Windows or CMD and D on Mac, and your selected slides will be duplicated right there in your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily duplicate slides, streamline your processes, and make your presentation work a breeze. Thanks for joining us today, and happy presenting.